it's day one of Pink Buckle and we're about to go run. Our OOTD is my hat's American, my shirt's Rodeo Quincy, Seven's Pink Buckle, Ariat, he's wearing Quillen leather, Naughty Cowgirl, 5-star, Robbie Phillips in our new pink classic Yukon boots and cloud boots.
Brad and Cinch are getting warmed up. They're in the open only this year, and the owner rider sideline. She aged out of the youth for Pink Buckle at 16 and under.
$17,986. Alright, the first day is done. We had a nice clean run and Cinch is eating his dinner and this is what he's wearing. PHT flat sheet, PHT quick wraps, he's got his hay, his feed, his alfalfa, and he's all good to go for the night.